quick recap of what we did last week. Remember, guys, we were talking about the mode, the median, the range, and the mean. Who can remind me, guys, what is a mode? When we have a data set, how do we find the mode of a data set? Who can remind us? Anybody remember what a mode is? Nobody remembers? Guys, oh no. Cannot believe this. Guys, I was hoping you would help me out today. Samson's like, I don't remember doing this. Hi, Keisha, no worries. Keisha, do you remember what the mode of a data set is? I hope you do. Anyone? Okay, it has something to do with the mode. The word starts with, that's it, Lingom. So exactly. It's the data values that show up the most. Data values that show up the most. Okay. Mode is the data value that shows up the most. Exactly. Excellent. Do you guys remember what the median is? Anybody remember what the median is? This one also sounds like the word. Also sounds like the word that we're looking for. Median tells us which data value. You guys remember? Anybody remember what the median was? That's it, Keisha. Okay, it's the middle number. So we're looking for the number right in the middle of my data set. But what's the important thing? The important thing is, if I want to find the number in the middle, what do I need to do to my values first? What do I need to do first? I need to arrange them somehow. We don't cancel left to right. We do not add them together, guys. If I want to know which number is in the middle, what do I need to do first? Not add, not minus. That's it. Yo, Keisha, you're on fire today. Exactly. We need to put them in ascending order. Oh, excellent. An ascending order means that we've got to put them from the smallest. We've got to arrange them from the smallest to the biggest number. Okay. And only then can we spot which one sits right in the middle, because that will help us, okay, to find that number. And then we need to find the mean. And now, Lingom, so you can say what you said. How do we find the mean, guys? Anybody remember? How do you find the mean? Ooh, doesn't look like anyone remembered. No worries, Chiria. That's okay. All right, remember the mean, guys. We're going to add all our values together. Good. We're going to add the values together. And then what are we going to do? Hi, Gideon. It's not the morning, though. Good afternoon. Hi, Azwi. What are we going to do, my sweetie? We're going to add the values. And then what are we going to do?
Hi, ma'am. We're going to like add all the values, and then we're going to divide it by the people who joined in the data.
Good. Or the number of values that we have, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. We're going to divide by the number of values. Very well done, Azwi. That's it. That's exactly what I was looking for. Okay. That's okay, Tyler. All right. And then the last one is the range. Do you guys remember what the range is? The range is the also kind of easy one. Anybody remember what the range is? Sure, Azwi, you're on fire today. What is the range, Azwi?
Ma'am, the range is when you you minus the highest value by the lowest value.
That's it. The biggest number minus the smallest number. That's a Jiria. You got it just the opposite way around. The biggest minus the smallest. Very well done, Azwi. That's it. Okay, yes, I think you just swapped them around. Biggest minus smallest. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a few minutes to look at these over here. It says that 11 employees at Matsland are paid the following weekly wages. And they want you to calculate for the mode, the median, and the mean. Okay. So when you guys are ready and you found the answer for all three, I want you guys to pop the smiley face emoji in the chat for me. Okay. Everyone, you've got 5 minutes, go. Just going to excuse myself for 1 second. I'll be with you guys in just a second. Why is it I ask for the smiley face emoji and Samson gives me the fire emoji? Oh, my goodness. Boloko, I'm not sure. I think he may be studying as well, like you said today. Okay. He may be studying. Okay. Thank you, Gideon. Gideon following instructions. Samson as well, and so Mila, excellent. Samson, I don't think that's the face. That's not the actual face, but we'll take it. Thank you, Tyler and Khahliso. Is it Roland? Okay, okay. I prefer Roland, I won't lie. I do. I prefer Roland to Gideon. All right, guys, I'm going to start putting these in order so we can look at what we're going to do. So I'm going to put them in ascending order. So from smallest to biggest. I think the smallest number we have over here is 260. Cancel that one. And then from 260, we're going to 299. Okay. And then from 299, we're going to go to 362. From 362. Why do I feel like other people are getting paid way more than others over here? Somebody only got paid 260.
488 first, teacher Coco.
Which one first?
488.
Oh, 488 first. Thank you, teacher Kat. Okay, 488 and then
492.
488 and then 492. There we go. Thank you, 488, 492. And then we've got 512 and then 560. Yeah. Those two. And then we've got 600. And then 755. Cancel. And then 807.
895.
There we go. 807 and 895. Okay, I know. I mean, Tyler, think about it. Tyler's like, that's so unfair, miss. Yes, this guy gets 895 pounds and this guy only gets 260 pounds.
260. Yep.
Something is not right here. Somebody's cheating the system. Either somebody is cheating or somebody's not pulling their weight at work. Or whoever's getting paid 260 is actually sleeping on the job and they're not getting paid what they should be getting paid. Okay, all right. Now let's do the mode, guys. What is the mode? Which is the number that shows up the most? Can we find a number that shows up the most in this data set? Did anybody manage to find a mode? Tyler says no. Jaria also says no. Anybody else? Keisha and Samson also say no. Okay, yeah, I agree with you guys. No, because there's no two values that come up more than once, so we don't have a mode. There is no mode. No mode at all. Okay, what about the median? And it's very good that we sorted them from in ascending order from smallest to biggest, because now we can look at the median. Who can tell me what is my median? Samson, I don't know how it is. We do not remember this. If you were here on Wednesday, you would definitely remember having done this. Okay, so if you're still a bit lost, you need to go watch last week Wednesday's video to look for that, to look for how to do all of this, because we did learn how to do it last week. Okay, everyone is saying 512. Let's see if you guys are right. So I'm going to cancel 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and they meet right here in the middle with the 6th value. So my median is 512. Okay, good. That's my median, 512. Excellent. So now I have to find my mean. And in order to find my mean, I have to take all of these and add them together. And then they already told me that there are 11 employees. So I'm going to add all the numbers together and I'm going to divide them by 11. So I'm going to go 260 on my calculator, 260 plus 299 plus 362 plus 488 plus 492. Shoot, it's going to give you like a huge number. Plus 512 plus 570 plus 600 plus 755. Ooh, thank you. All right, plus 755 plus 807 plus 895. Now, if we add all of these together, how much are we going to get, guys? If we add them all together, how much do we end up getting? When I calculated it, I got 6,040. Don't know if everybody got the same thing. That's it, Khatliso. Remember, Khatliso, do not put that comma there. It means something completely different. The Americans use the comma, we do not. Because if you use the comma, you're actually telling me that the number is 6,040, and that's not the number. Okay, so no comma there. 6,040 divided by 11. How much did that give us, guys? 6,040 divided by 11 is? Anybody get an answer for me? Cheeria. We do, but only some of the time. Some of the time we have candle lights instead of lights. Okay. Thank you, Khatli. So that's it. 549,0909. But since it's money, we're just going to keep it at 09. Okay, because we're dealing with money and we just need cents. So this is 549 pounds and 9 cents. Okay, then we need to calculate the range. And remember, the range is the smallest number. The other way around. Look at what I'm doing now. Ooh, Jaria, you and me, our brains are scattered today. The biggest number minus the smallest number. So my biggest number is 895 minus 260. And how much does that give me, guys? Khatliso is just on fire today. Khatliso is actually doing all of this, getting all the right answers, slaying, doing the things. That's it. My value is going to be 635. And clearly, I don't know how to draw the pound signal. So I need to relax.
I wasn't going to say anything. I was just going to keep it to myself.
I need to practice how to do it there. I know most people do it with a little like that. But yeah, no, it's not working. I'll stick with my rands. It's fine. I earn my money in rands anyway. It's okay. All right, guys. Can I get a thumbs up? Are we okay with how to calculate for the mode, the median, the mean, and the range? Can I get a thumbs up or a thumbs down from you guys in the chat, please? Excellent. Poloko's feeling Gucci. Excellent. Well done, Sumila. Awesome, awesome. All right. So today we're going to be learning about something completely different. We're going to be learning, we're going to be learning about how to represent data. Now, if you think about it, when we're looking at these data sets, we actually went and asked people about all of this data that we want to collect from them. So what we're actually doing is we're walking up to people and asking them, what is your favorite chocolate flavor or your ice cream flavor? And then we're going to find what their favorite ice cream flavor is. And we're going to take that information. And instead of standing in front of people and going, 16 people like chocolate, 23 people like mint choc, that's too much. What we're going to do is we're going to take the information that we have and we're going to put it in a graph. And this graph is going to represent it. And it's much easier for us to be able to interpret this. So Teacher Kat, can I ask you to run a poll called favorite ice cream flavor for me? Everybody, you can only vote once, okay? And I don't understand why you guys are out here saying vanilla, because I also find vanilla very boring, but it's okay.
Stop
Highly
it.
abundant.
Stop it. Teacher Cook. You know I love vanilla.
Nobody likes strawberry ice cream. How, guys, make it make sense. Okay, no, but there's only 8 people who have voted out of 18, so we're still waiting. We're waiting for everyone to vote.
And out of the 10, 5 of them are in vanilla. Do you see we're onto something, Mar?
No, I can't believe it. I don't want to believe it. Jerry is with you there. Jerry is with you.
Who's Albert Einstein?
I think it's Samson.
Oh.
Vanilla with a sugar cone. Okay. All right, guys. I'm waiting for 6 more people to vote, and then we're going to take it down, and we're going to look at the information that this has actually given us. Dingomsa says chocolate. That's a nice flavor. I like chocolate.
All I'm saying is look at the results. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah. It's okay. It's whatever. It's whatever. All right, I'm going to leave it up for 30 more seconds, and then we're going to take it down. If you're having a problem choosing an ice cream flavor because all ice cream flavors are your favorite flavor, maybe close your eyes and just pick one. See, Braden says strawberry. That's also a nice one. I agree with you. I'm still waiting.
Didn't know there was banana ice cream.
This is what I meant to have changed it to caramel.
Okay.
I had meant to change it to caramel, but I didn't. So whoever's banana, we're going to change it to caramel for you. But I also heard that there's banana ice cream, and I was like, who on earth is eating banana flavored ice cream? Whew. Yeah, not so great. Mint choc. Okay, we're going to end it there, guys. I'm ending the poll, and we're going to take down the results that you guys have given us. All right, so for favorite ice cream flavor, we have 1 person who likes chocolate. We have 4 people who like mint choc. I don't believe it. Vanilla has 6 people. I also don't believe it. Strawberry has 3 people, and caramel has 1 person. All right, so what we're going to have to do now is we can't go around telling people all the time that, you know, 1 person liked chocolate and 4 people liked mint choc. We need to be able to represent this visually so that everybody can see what we actually mean when we say this. And then people don't have to, they don't actually have to look at the information you've given them. They can just look at the graph and they're like, oh, we're interpreting it. It's so much easier to interpret. So we're going to take the information we have here. And remember, guys, this is a bar graph. And there are certain things that we do when we draw a bar graph that looks different to another graph called the histogram that we will do later. Okay, so first I'm going to write here. First one is chocolate. I'm going to abbreviate. This one is mint. Oh, no, I need to skip a line. Mint chocolate, mint choc. I know. And then after mint choc comes vanilla and then strawberry and then caramel. Then we've got vanilla and then strawberry. I'm just going to write straw. And then we've got cara. Okay. Then we're going to go look. We know that chocolate is 1. So we're going to look at our highest value. Our highest value is 6. So on my y-axis, we're going to be counting the number of people. And we want to make sure that our scale helps us look properly at what's happening in each of these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make every 2 blocks 1. So 1 at this block over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, just so that it's evenly spaced and I can make sure that I can see everything that I'm calculating for each of them. All right, so we know that chocolate is 1 person, and for 1, I need to color in 2 blocks for 1. So I'm going to do this. That's my person with chocolate. Okay, now to make sure that I don't get this confused with the mint choc, I'm going to skip a block and I'm going to go to the next block and I'm going to draw mint. How many people liked mint chocolate, guys? 4 people. So in order to get from here, from 0, I forgot my 0. Okay, 0 over here to mint choc. I'm going to make mint chocolate green. Let's do that. Let's make it green. I'm going to go all the way to 4. So I need to color all 8 of these blocks because 1 block is for 4. Or 2 blocks is for 1, so I need to color in all 8 blocks, just like that. Okay, then comes the boring vanilla.
The winner, vanilla.
Okay, and vanilla had 6 people, and that is 12 blocks that we need to color in. So make it nice and long. Okay, make it nice and long. Oh, Jerry is like, you mean the winner? Yeah, whatever. It's all fine. It's fine. It's fine. All right. And then strawberry had 3 people. Guys, if strawberry had 3 people, how many blocks am I going to color in for strawberry? Who can tell me? Ooh, not 3. Remember, 1 block is 2. So how many? For 1 person, I have to color 2 blocks. Good, Keisha, that's it. I'm going to have to color 6 blocks. So I'm going to go all the way to 3, but if we count going down, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, Lothario. I see your hand. If you've got a question, you can put your hand up. Even if you want to answer a question, you can put your hand up. There we go. So 6 blocks for 3 people because 1 person is 2 blocks. All right. And then the last one is caramel. Let me find another color for caramel. Let's make it brown. Let's make it a brown. Caramel was just 1 person, so I'm also going to color in brown here for caramel. Oh, this is a nice color. I like this one. Looks kind of jazzy, like glitter. Okay, there we go. Okay. So now when we're looking at this information, it's very easy for us to be able to read off the graph. Now, if I had to ask you guys, which ice cream flavor is liked the third most? Third most. Look at the graph and tell me which ice cream flavor was liked the third most. That's it, Jiria. Well done, Tyler and Keisha. That's exactly what I want to see. It's strawberry. Okay, now I don't have to go and compare numbers. I can just look at my graph and be like, okay, vanilla is definitely first, and mint choc is second, and then strawberry is third. So the third most liked ice cream flavor is vanilla. Now, if I had to ask you guys, how many people answered the survey for favorite flavor of ice cream? How are we going to calculate that? think about what we need to do here, guys. Anybody got any idea what we need to do? Who can tell me? Good. Okay, all the numbers added up. Exactly. So what we're going to do over here, we're going to go, there's 1 over here, 1 for mint choc plus how many for chocolate, 1 for mint, so 4 for mint. So together 4 plus 6 for vanilla, plus 3 for strawberry, plus 1 for caramel. And how much does that all add up to, guys? Churia says 14. Excellent. 14. 14 people answered the poll. All right. Can I get a thumbs up, thumbs down? Do we understand how to read a bar graph? Excellent, guys. Amazing. All right. Excellent. Good. There are 14 people. Hi, Google too. Chiria, you should share some of that energy with me. Mine is waning at the moment. Okay, excellent. So 14 people, and I'm glad that you guys understand how to do this. Now, you guys need to remember, there is a difference between a bar graph and a histogram. Do you see how on my bar graph, guys, I always leave some space in between. I always leave a space in between each bar. And that's very important to remember. Okay, it's very important to remember that I leave a space in between, because what I'm doing is I'm comparing the information that I have. Okay, when we get to a histogram is going to tell us something completely different, and we're going to see how that works on Wednesday, but we're going to show the difference between a bar graph and a histogram in the next lesson. All right, let's take a quick brain break, and then we're going to do a double bar graph after this, and we'll see how that works. Okay. And I think everybody's missed this one. We are going back on a cruise today. I thought we should go on a cruise 1 more or 2 more times before we go on a holiday. Okay, on an actual holiday. Maybe some of you guys will be going on a cruise.
An actual cruise.
An actual cruise, yeah. Okay. So if you're a bit stuck, you'll see what we're going to do and you'll follow along. Okay. All right. Teacher Kat, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. All right. So I'm going on a cruise and I'm bringing, let's make it an easy one so that Khahliso can understand what's going on. I'm bringing strawberries.
I'm going on a cruise and I'm bringing raspberries.
Raspberries. For the first time, Teacher Kat's going on the cruise.
The secret is to keep it very close to Teacher Coco's one.
I wonder if I'd said, nah, what would have happened? Keisha, are you going on a cruise and what are you bringing? Let's see if you're coming on the cruise with us.
I'm bringing blueberries.
Blueberries. Okay, Keisha's definitely coming on the cruise. Excellent. Jaria, what are you bringing?
Ma'am, I'm going to bring blackberries.
Blackberries. Ah, nice. Blackberries. And Jaria, you're definitely going on the cruise. Well done. Well done. Roland, what are you bringing on the cruise? Let's see if you're going.
I'm bringing cranberries.
Cranberries. Excellent. Cranberries. There's actually a musical band called the Cranberries, and they're one of my favorite bands.
See, everyone's keeping it close to yours.
I know. And we're going to run out of berries very soon. What are you bringing?
Ma'am, I'm bringing elderberries.
Elderberries. I think they're actually called elderberries, but we'll take it. Good. Excellent, Samson. Well done. Okay, good. Elderberries. Okay, let's see. I saw Keisha say in the chat that she's bringing grapes, but I think we've now figured out the pattern and we're definitely not going to be able to come if we bring grapes. Brayden? Teacher Cat, Lothario says he can't hear me. Can you just have
I'm bringing tea berries.
how do I spell that? I've never in my life heard that.
TAY and then berries, ma'am.
K berries. Ooh, I've never heard. See now, guys, when you tell me about new food, I need to now go
Remember,
and
it's a
test
T instead of a K.
K berries. Oh,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
see. See now, I've never had tay berries before. So now this holiday, I must go and track them down. So that next time when you guys are like tay berries, I'm like, oh, I know tay berries. They taste amazing. Okay, I'm going to have to go test. I'm going to have to test what they are. Okay, so you guys get the idea. So I hope you get the idea. We always look for something that's similar. Okay, and that's how we figure out how to go on the cruise. I think we can do one more very quickly. Hello, Master Chaba. I think we can do one more very quickly. Teacher Kat, are you with me? Okay, good. I'm going on the cruise and I'm bringing socks. Whoa.
I'm going on a cruise and I'm bringing gloves. She's leaving. Just listen.
You're going on the cruise.
Ha! Keep it
Ooh,
close.
nice one. Nice one.
Keep
Jiria,
it
what are you
close.
bringing?
I was gonna say gloves,
Think of something.
but
Think of something.
I'm going to bring a scarf.
A scarf, and you're definitely coming. Well done. Roland, what are you going to bring? Be careful, guys. It's not as easy as you guys are thinking in the chat. Roland, what are you bring?
I'm going to bring a coat.
A coat. Ooh, Roland is not going. Oh, Roland, you're not going. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, let's keep thinking. Brayden, what are you bringing?
Ma'am, I'm bringing a hat.
A hat. Nope, Brayden's not going. Oh no. Think it through, guys. Samson, what are you bringing?
Ma'am, I'm bringing
What are you bringing?
I'm bringing underwear.
Underwear.
Oh my goodness.
Unfortunately, we're not going. We probably should bring underwear, but unfortunately, not for this one. Puluko, what are you gonna bring? Guys, there are only 3 of us going on the cruise. Puluko, what are you gonna bring?
Ma'am, I'm going to bring a vest.
A vest. Oh, and Puluko, you're going. Puluko's coming on the cruise. Excellent. Keisha, what do you think? Oh, Sally, you can't go. You can't go. What do you think you're bringing?
A jersey.
A jersey. Keisha's going. Well done. Very nice. Very nice, Keisha. So Mila's going. So Mila says she's bringing warm soup. And she's going. Sharia, what are you bringing?
Ma'am, I'm also going to bring a beanie.
A beanie. If you bring a beanie, you won't be let on. You'll be let on for the scarf, but not for the beanie. Think about it. Master Chaba, what are you bringing?
Ma'am, I'm bringing boots.
Boots. Ooh, Master Chaba's going. Woohoo. Excellent. Okay, has anybody figured it out yet? Has anybody figured it out? Jaria says she's figured it out. Roland, tell us, what's the trick? How do we get to go on the cruise?
You must learn winter clothing.
Okay, good. Winter clothing, but there's something very specific because I canceled out coat and hat. What does this winter clothing need to have?
It needs to have an S mask.
That's it. Excellent. All of them need to have S in them. There's an S in each and every one of them. Well done, Roland. Excellent. Do you guys see how there's an S in each and every one of them? Well done, guys. Well done. Okay.
That was awesome. It's been a while.
I know. I can't believe like we missed I really missed the cruise. It was really fun to go on a cruise again. All right, guys. Okay, we're going to learn about double bar graphs, but we're going to be very quick about this. I want my boys to answer in the chat first. If you can, Teacher Cat, there is a poll called Boys Language at Watobe. If you could run that poll for me. Now, only if you are a boy. You are to answer only if you are a boy. Please do not answer if you're a girl. Okay, if you're a boy, please answer for me. I know some of these will be empty. But I just want to see where we are. Okay, I'm going to give it a few minutes just to see if have we only got 8 boys in the classroom? Oh, Samson, if you are Shangane, can I ask you to just click on other for me? Okay. And then we're going to replace other with whatever it is you have. Roland, if there's no French, click other. See, I knew I was going to miss someone because I only thought of our 11 official languages and the most popular of them. And I just knew I was going to miss someone. Okay. All right, boys. Okay, I think that's it. We can stop the poll quickly and we're going to check how many of you guys voted for which. Let's have a look. All right, so I have got 3 for English. Got 3 for English, 1 for Afrikaans, nothing for Sesotho or Sepedi. I've got 2 for isiZulu, 2 for isiXhosa, and if I go down to other, nothing for Siswati and Ndebele, and for other, I've got 3. Okay, excellent. All right, so this is the information we have for the boys. Sure, Jiria speaks Tamil. Okay, so you're gonna have to tell us all about it now when we run the poll. For the girls, please, Teacher Cat. That's so interesting. Sure, is it a home language for you, Jiria? Do you guys speak Tamil at home? How interesting is that? Oh, you're gonna have to teach us sometime. I love languages. I speak quite a few languages, so I need you to teach me some more. Teach me some more. Okay. I'll wait for you guys to vote for me. Sure. Okay, yeah. Roland speaks German too. Guys, where do you guys come from with all of it? I only spoke English and my home language when I was growing up. Where do you guys get all these other?
I was just like, wow.
How, guys, how? Sure. Okay, I think we're done here for the ladies, because if I'm looking at the tally of all the answers, I think this is all we've got. Okay, so we can stop the chat quickly, and then let's see. For the girls, we've got 2 girls that speak English, 1 girl that speaks Sepedi, just like me, and then we've got 2 girls for isiZulu, nothing for Afrikaans, nothing for Sesotho. Okay, and then if I scroll down, I've got 2 for other, and I have nothing for Ndebele, isiXhosa, and Siswati. All right, shoo, okay. There are quite a lot of us who speak like different languages in this class, and that's so great because we can get to learn from each other all these different languages. You guys know that in South Africa, we have 11 official languages. So that means a lot of us speak quite a lot, okay? Different languages. Oh, shame. Okay, you, Tijuria. You mustn't embarrass people like that. Okay, all right. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to draw a double bar graph. Okay, so we're going to take the information we have. I've got English, Afrikaans. We're going to skip Sesotho altogether because there's no one for Sesotho. So I'm going to write here English. And this time I'm not going to skip a line, but I'll show you guys what we're going to do. Afrikaans. And then we've got Sepedi and isiZulu. So I've got Pedi here and Zulu. And then I've got Xhosa and other. Okay. Oh, I actually think I can skip spaces. If I put other here and I put Xhosa here and I put Zulu here, I think we can space it out a little bit. I think English and Afrikaans will just have to sit next to each other. Okay, yeah, all right. So here's what we're gonna do, guys. I'm gonna write all the numbers for the boys in blue and all the numbers for the girls in red. So this is number of people. Number of people. Okay, and again, we're going to count in twos. So for every 2 blocks, I'm going to count 1 person. Okay. So Mila says Xhosa, miss. Okay, we're going to add 1 more Xhosa for the girls. Okay. 6. Okay, excellent. All right, so for the boys, for English, we had 3. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to split this in half, and I'm going to put 3 for boys in blue. Okay, and then I'm going to go to girls, and we've got 2. So I'm going to do that. 2. Okay, now I can then ask you guys, how many students, both boys and girls, have English as a home language? What would you guys say? That's it, Google it too. Jiria, ma'am, why don't you do boys? I did boys and then girls. Boys are in blue. Remember, blue means boys and girls means red. Okay, Jiria, I did boys before I did girls. That's why. Good, that's it, Keisha, excellent. Now, if we look at Afrikaans, I've only got 1 boy who speaks Afrikaans as a first language, as a home language. So I'm gonna skip some space because it's still a bar graph. And remember, guys, my bar graphs are not allowed to touch each other. So there's still that space in between, and only 1 boy. Why am I going all the way to 2? Just 1. Oh, I hear you. I hear what Yuri is saying. She's saying, ma'am, why don't you do all the boys first and then all the girls? Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay, let's look at Betty. There are no boys for Betty. There are 2 isiZulu boys. So 2, like that. Okay, and then we can go back up. 2 isiXhosa boys. Again, 2. And my drawing is getting uglier, but it's fine. And 3 for other. Okay, 3 for other. I'm assuming it's Roland for French and some of you guys speaking different languages. Okay, good, there we go. All right, then we can go back to girls. Afrikaans is 0, Sesotho 0, Pedi is 1. Okay, so Pedi is 1 girl. I'm gonna put it on this side here. So Betty is just 1 girl. Tyler says he can speak Chinese. Yo, you and I need to have a conversation, my dude. isiZulu is 2. Okay. isiZulu is 2. And isiXhosa is actually, I'm going to add 1 more because Samila was also going to say Xhosa. So Xhosa over here should actually be 1 because Samila couldn't vote. So this is 1. So for Xhosa, I've got 1 girl. 1 girl, and for other, I have got 2. Okay, 2 for other. There we go, over there. Ta-da! That is excellent, Juria. Me too. I'm actually gonna learn Chinese very soon. All right, guys, this is how we draw a double bar graph. Okay, can I just get a thumbs up, thumbs down? Do you guys understand how we draw a bar graph or a double bar graph?